This is a 2019 Kia Soul base model. It's naturally aspirated. It's a very simple engine. It's on tons of these Kias, and I mean, I've had no problems with it, and I think it's a good little engine. And today I want to cover the catch can install. So I have run it vent to atmosphere, ran it vent to atmosphere for a while, and nothing happened. It just stinks. So it hadn't really gummed up or anything like that. I do a lot of oil changes with this, synthetic oil, stuff like that. So there's not going to be a problem with sludge buildup. But either way, let's talk about the catch can. Right here is the PCV valve, positive crankcase ventilation. So you take this hose, it originally runs down to the throttle body, right down in there, but I took it and I took this hose and it goes to the inside of the catch can. And then from the outside of the catch can, so all this is the original hose right here, so I didn't remove anything. Then I added this catch can and this hose to the outside, which now runs down and around to the throttle body right there to create that vacuum. And that's all you have to do to install it. The reason for that is you'll notice there is another vacuum hose right here on this air intake, but it's on sort of a clean side of the air intake. So the gunk and water and all that stuff doesn't go into this air intake. It's creating a vacuum, but it's creating less of a vacuum than the hose down here, which is, or the little valve down here, which is right on the throttle body. So the air tends to move from this direction into the engine, through the engine, and then through this PCV valve, and then back down into the throttle body. So if you're doing vent to atmosphere, yeah, you need to disconnect this hose, you need to disconnect this. So you got to disconnect them both, or else you'll be vacuuming air, probably throw a bunch of oil and mess through your engine. So don't do that. You have to take both of those off to get it to vent to atmosphere. And what happens here is the PCV valve, it just blocks everything off. So all your gunk goes through this hose if you do vent to A, or vent to atmosphere. So whatever, I'm ranting. So hopefully this helps. Just disconnect this hose, throw it on the catch can, run another hose down there. And if you want to put it somewhere else, I would recommend it. Maybe extend this, because I just have this set right there. We're gonna see how it works for a little while, and then I will find a better place to put it. So hope this helps. Hope that explains what's going on, and good luck.